Yes, friends. Now I'm taking very important basic of Vedic astrology. What is this basic of Vedic astrology? Important Tithi. What is Tithi? Because there are five parts of, five, you may say five parts of Panchang. Panchang means five parts having five organs. What those organs I've already talked about. There are Tithi. Tithi means this is lunar date. I have written down here lunar date, lunar day or date. So Tithi means lunar date. Means when moon moves or when moon, yes, per day moon moves how much. Okay. So what is the movement of moon per day or per Tithi? That is known as lunar day. I'll talk about that. What is the total day or hour, about 23 hours. Okay, and some minutes. Okay, so that is for 23 hours, average 23 hours or 44 minutes or 2.9 seconds or something. Okay, that is one lunar day, every or average of this. Okay, so per day, when at the sunrise time, okay, when Tithi is rising, Tithi means a moon day starts from the sunrise, from one sunrise to next sunrise. Which Tithi is running, that I'll just talk about. How many Tithis are there and what is there. So there are 30 Tithis or lunar days per month, but this 1 month of moon is limited one, means it's not of 30 days, but 29 days, 44 minutes and 2.9 seconds. This is total one moon day or lunar date. It's known as lunar day or lunar date or moon's day or moon's date, right? This is not Tithi. What is Tithi? Tithi means per day or from one sunrise to next sunrise, how much moon moves. Okay, so I'll just find out that how to calculate this Tithi or moon's lunar date or lunar date or moon's day or moon's date, right? Moon's day or date or moon's day or lunar day or lunar date. Lunar means represents moon. Okay, so what is moon's day? That is known as Tithi. In Vedic astrology, it's known as Tithi, or in Hindu system, it's known as Tithi. And even today, this Tithi calculation is done in all over India. And this is very important to just find or elect auspicious day, auspicious time. So this day, okay, time collection or time, what you call selection or election of appropriate time, that's known as Muhurta. So for Muhurta, this Tithi, consideration of Tithi is very important, right? Now let me talk about, or let me take one thing, that what is Tithi, how Tithis are calculated, and what does this Tithi mean, and for how many Tithis are there per month, per lunar month. What is lunar month? I'll just talk about that, how much time is given for one lunar month. So this is 29.53 days, okay, per month. So this is 29 days, 0.53. 29 days, 44 minutes and 2.9 seconds. That comes out to be 29.53 total days in 1 month, one lunar month, right? I'll just talk about that, how lunar month, okay, multiplied by 12 will give us lunar year. Okay, that's known as lunar year or lunar year. That lunar year and solar year, how they are comparative, and then we take lunar and solar year, lunar solar year, that is known as lunar solar year. What is solar year? Solar year means when sun enters in Aries sign and up to the ending of the Pisces sign. When sun ends into the or enters into Pisces sign, means 12th sign, and comes out of this. So from entering of the Aries sign of the sun to the ending of the Pisces sign, this is known as solar year, right? So 12 signs and sun enters from Aries sign to Pisces sign, that is solar year. So this solar year and lunar year, those two are combined together, and that is now calculated these days. But initially, since the time of Rig Veda, as I have told you number of times, that Rig Veda mentions that moon is considered as a measurement of time. For measurement of time, moon is being considered in through the or since the Vedic time or since the Rig Veda time, okay, or in during the Vedic time, since the Vedic time, all these things are being calculated on the basis of moon's movement or moon's transit. Every day, how much degree moon moves, what is the moon's day, okay, or moon's tithi or moon's day or moon's date. This is known as tithi. Okay, so tithi is a part of the 5 organs of Panchang. Panchang is known as Indian, Almanic. Okay, so Indian Almanic means time period, measurement of time period. Okay, in India is known as Panchang, which is having 5 parts of this, which is known as Tithi, Var, Nakshatra, Karna and Yoga, or Yoga and Karna. Right? These are 5 parts of there. What is Tithi? As I told you, that's lunar day or lunar date. Second is the Var. Var means days, Monday to Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday up to Sunday, or Sunday, from Sunday if I start Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday up to Saturday. So all these 7 planets, okay, on the names of 7 planets, Sunday to Saturday, okay, that is, they are known as Var or days, right? So this Var, Tithi, Var, Nakshatra I've already talked about, 27 nakshatras, how a person is born in a particular nakshatra is having different kind of characteristics, that I've already talked about. So nakshatras, Tithi, Var, Nakshatra, Yoga and Karna I'll take later on, but now I'm taking Tithi. What is Tithi? So Tithi means, as I've told you, per day, how many, what is the moon's rising time? Okay, moon is traveling 12 degree for 1 Tithi. So 12 degree, 12 degree, 12 degree. So if moon's longitude, okay, or from moon's longitude, sun's longitude is subtracted and divided by 12 degree. Okay, this formula I've written down here, that Tithi is equal to moon's longitude minus sun's longitude divided by 12 degree. Because this difference of longitude will be in degrees or minutes or seconds, and that will be divided by 12 degree, so that will give us whatever time is there. So every 12 degree, okay, so for 12 degree 1 tithi of moon is there, or 1 lunar day or moon's day or moon's date is for 12 degree. Okay, so 12 degree, then next tithi starts, so next day starts, next lunar day starts. Okay, so tithi is calculated as moon goes away from sun's position. I'll just talk about it, how moon is going away from sun. That is known as Shukla Paksha or bright half, okay, or dark half, and this is known as bright half. I'll take here bright half or Shukla Paksha. What is Shukla Paksha? When moon is moving away from the sun, okay, and when moon is moving towards sun, that is for Krishna Paksha, or dark half. I've taken here dark half, okay, dark half or bright half. This is bright half of Shukla Paksha. In Shukla Paksha, moon moves away from the sun, right, from 0 degree to up to 180 degree, 0 degree to 180 degree, 0 degree to 180 degree, moon goes away from sun. How moon is going away from sun? This is measurement of angles or difference of angles. We can say angles, because moon cannot go near to the sun, but it is just going, because moon is, okay, what you call, traveling around the earth, and earth is moving in its orbit, okay, around the sun. Okay, so when moon is just coming like this, this is suppose earth and sun is here, and moon is orbiting around the earth. Okay, so when moon goes away from, suppose moon is going away like this, so, or going away from sun, this is coming towards sun and this is going away from sun. Okay, so when moon is going away from sun, we can say, because earth is here, the moon is going away from sun, that means from 0 degree to 180 degree. So this is known as bright half. Okay, so bright half is calculated on the basis of moon's longitude minus sun's longitude divided by 12. Now this, in this case, up to 180 degree, moon is going away from sun or sun's position. We are not saying that moon is going away from sun, that means going away, but it's because they are far away from each other. But in the position of earth, because earth is orbiting around the sun and moon is orbiting around the earth. Okay, so when moon is just this is nearing sun or going towards the sun, okay, and going away from the sun. So when moon moves away from the sun, that means bright half. This bright half or Shukla Paksha up to 0 degree to 180 degree. This is calculated here that if 0 degree to 12 degree, if this difference is less than 12 degree, that means this is Pratipada or first Tithi. First Tithi or Pratipada, this is known as Pratipada or Prathama. Pratipada means Pratham or first day. This is first Tithi, first 0 degree to 12 degree. This is known as, what does it mean? It means the difference of moon's longitude and sun's longitude. Okay, sun's longitude subtracted from moon's longitude. Difference is in between 0 to 12 degree. That means this is Pratipada. Sorry, the difference will give us Pratipada or first Tithi or first moon's day or lunar day. So first lunar day or Pratipada is known as Pratipada or Prathama. Okay, so first lunar date or lunar day, this is in between 0 to 12 degree. So if the difference, this difference in longitude of moon and sun, I've written down here the formula. Tithi is equal to, Tithi is moon's longitude minus sun's longitude divided by 12. So this difference will give us the Tithi. Now suppose the difference is more than 12 degree, more than 12 degree. So, or there is quotient in the remainder. So quotient is 1, 2, 3 like that. Because it is, if difference is 24 plus something, that means 2, so this is third, okay, Tritiya or third lunar day will come. So the difference, you understand that. Okay, so this is, if difference is 24 plus, that means 2 will be the quotient. So quotient will represent, quotient will be quotient plus the third one. Quotient is the, suppose this is 2 plus something, means 2 is quotient and the remainder is something. That means second lunar day has passed, it is running third one. In this way the difference is calculated. That you understand. So the difference divided by 12, whatever the Tithi comes out to be, and this Tithi can be, the difference is this. If it is between 0 to 12 degree, this is Pratipada or first day. If 12 degree to 24 degree, difference comes out to be. If suppose this is more than 12 degree, difference is, it is one quotient and remainder is something, 1 point something, or 1, 2 upon 12, sorry, 1 upon 12 or 3 upon 12 or 4 upon 12 or 5 upon 12 suppose. So 1, 5 upon 12, that means this is second. This is between 12 and 24. So if difference is more than 12 and between 24, that means this is second day or second lunar day or Dutiya. This is known as Dutiya in Sanskrit word is Dutiya, Pratipada, Dutiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami. In this way, I have to go up to 15th day. This is 15th, which is known as Purnima or complete, or this is full moon, full moon's time. Because in this case, moon has reached just away from the sun, okay, 180 degree away from sun or in between 168 degree to 180 degree. 168 degree plus 12 degree, this will give us up to 180 degree. In between, if it is there, then this is Purnima or 15th Tithi. 15th Tithi is the Purnima, or this is known as full moon day, full moon's day or full moon day, full moon day. Okay, so full moon day, 15th Tithi. Then dark half starts, or this is known as Krishna Paksha or dark half. There are this complete day, this month is there, 15 days and 15 days, 15 Tithi plus 30 Tithis. This 30 Tithis will give us one lunar day. as I've told, sorry, one lunar month. One lunar month is of about 29.53 days. Okay, 29.53 days or 29 days, 44 minutes and 2.9 seconds. Okay, so this is about 29 days or 29.53 days. Okay, and if I multiply this by 12, 53 into 12, this will give us 254.37. So 354.37 days in year, in lunar year. Okay, so lunar year is of 11 days less than solar year. Solar year is of 365 days point something. So 365, about 365 days. So if I just just decide about talk about what is the lunisolar year. Lunisolar year means combination of lunar, means moon's year or lunar year, and solar year or sun's year. The combination of these two gives us to Tithis, okay, or months. 13 months sometimes there is one Adhik Mas or Adhimas or Adhik Mas or leap month is one leap month is added up. Why? Because there is lack of 11 days. Because from solar year to lunar year is of 354 days, 354.53 days, or sorry, 354.37 days. This is of lunar year. That means about 11 days less. This is 354 and 365. So 365 minus 354 is 11 days. So about 11 days less than solar year in lunar year. So if I multiply 29.53 by 12, so 12 months, this 12 months will give us, or 12 lunar months will give us lunar year, or one moon's year, right? This one moon's year will be, or lunar year will be of 354.37 days, right? So 37 days, right? So this is 354.37. That means 354, about, let me take 350 days, and that is 365 days of solar year. So from solar year, if I subtract lunar year, this is of 11 days difference. So this 11 days difference is counted to 1 month in about 3 to 4 years. Sometimes it is 3 years, sometimes it is 4 years, entering into 4 years. After every 3 year or 4 year, we add one 13th month, 13th lunar month to make it, okay, Adhik Mas or something. That I'll take later, I'll talk about later. But first let me talk about what is this Tithis. First Tithis, what are the Tithis? Okay, so this is bright half or Shukla Paksh. Shukla Paksh is from 0 degree to 180 degree. When moon is, or difference of moon's longitude and sun's longitude is in between 0 degree to 180 degree. 0 degree to up to 180 degree is known as bright half or Shukla Paksh. This is known as Shukla Paksha, written down here Shukla Paksh or bright half. The Tithi is bright half. Pratipada, Dutiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sashti, Ashtami, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashmi, Ekadasi, Dwadasi, Triyodasi, Chaturdasi. This is Chaturdasi I have taken here. 3 dots I have taken, so that you can calculate easily. One names are, this is Panchami, Sashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashmi, Ekadashi means 11th day, Dwadashi 12th day, Triyodasi 13th day, and this is Chaturdasi 14th day, right? Or 14th lunar day or lunar Tithi, that is 14th Tithi, that's Chaturdasi. And this is Purnima or 15th Tithi. The 15th Tithi is Purnima or Purnamashi. This is Purnamashi or Purnima. In Sanskrit it is known Purnima. Okay, so Purnima in Vedic astrology. So what is Purnima? 15th day. That is known as full moon day. That at that moment moon is fully or completely bright, okay, or is full moon day, because it is away from sun, 180 degree away from sun, up to 180 degree it is away from sun and completely visible. Okay, moon is completely visible. That means full moon day. Now then it starts after that, after 180 degree up to 192 degree. Now this is dark half, we can say dark half or Krishna Paksh. In Krishna Paksh, when moon moves towards sun, moon moves towards sun, that means because it's moon is rotating around the earth, okay, so, and when moon moves towards sun means moon is moving from this in between to sun's position, going towards sun and going away from sun, going towards sun and going away from sun. This going away from sun in between, this is earth suppose, and moon is moving around like this, and sun is this away, and earth is moving towards in its orbit around the sun. So when moon moves around the earth or rotates around the earth, okay, and when it goes this point to this point, this is going towards sun and going away from sun. Going away from sun, that is bright half, and this is dark half, going towards sun. So this is moving towards sun, 180 degree to 192 degree, that means 12 degree difference of 12 degree. This is again Pratipada or Pratham Tithi or Prathama Pratipada of dark half. Okay, this is of dark half or Krishna Paksh, when moon is slowly diminishing its light because it's moving towards sun. Okay, when it's moving towards sun and it is completely hidden by the earth, because when like this, okay, when sun is like this and earth in between, so this is in between like this, okay, so or it is just away from this, okay, then moving towards sun, but sun is like this and earth is moving in between. So when moon is not visible completely, because now this moon's position, half position, and moon is brightened or lighted by the sun's position, but on the earth we are not watching moon, we are watching a moon as a dark one or completely Krishna Paksh. This is only Krishna Paksh. So when moon is moving towards sun, that means this is Krishna Paksh or dark half. This starts 180 degree to 192 degree Prathama or Pratipada. This is Pratipada of Krishna Paksha and Pratipada of Shukla Paksha. This is of bright half. Pratipada of Shukla, this 1 to up to 14. The same, Tithis are there, 1 to 14. And the 15th one or the 30th one is known as Amavasya. The last one, 30th one, which is known as new moon day, when moon is not visible, is dark completely. This is Amavasya, day of Amavasya, 13th day of 30th Tithi, 30th lunar date. 30th lunar date is known as Amavasya. Okay, this is how we calculate these Tithis. This is bright half, dark half. Okay, so this is bright half and dark half. These 15 plus 15, total 30 Tithis. But this 30th Tithi here is known as Amavasya or new moon. New moon day means when moon is not visible, new moon will start, then will start brightening, or then light will come out, or okay, to moon, because now moon is moving away from the sun. Okay, and moon is moving away from the sun, that means this position will again come in the next month. Second month will start again 0 to 12 degree. Okay, from 360 degree, this is up to 360 degree, 348 degree, 348 degree to 360 degree. This is the 30th day, 30th lunar date or lunar day. This is known 30th Tithi, which is known as Amavasya or new moon day. Okay, this is known as new moon day or 30th date, 30th Tithi. So this 30th Tithi, now I'll talk about that, what are the different kind of Tithis and that. I'll just discuss about that. But this calculation, we have to just know about that, how Tithis are calculated. What is Tithi? Now, because measurement of days with the help of moon, they are known as Tithis. Because moon is the measurement of Tithis in Vedic astrology. And Vedic astrology, why Vedic astrology is so accurate one, exact one? The reason is, with the help of moon's position, we just calculate the days or Tithis. Okay, these Tithis or date, lunar date, are calculated with the help of moon's position or moon's movement, okay, towards the sun or away from the sun. So in this way, the position of the mind of the person is completely afflicted or not afflicted, or whatever the position is there. So all those, ascendant, lagna, etc. is calculated with the help of moon's position. So that I have already talked about it, how nakshatra, in which Rasi moon is positive. With the help of that, lagna Rasi or ascendant of a person or a native is calculated. That is going to affect the life of the person. Because every day moon is moving, okay, in which tithi it is moving, in which sign it is moving at the moment. So that is to be just verified or just matched or compared, and after that we calculate this person's life, this person's mentality, this person's position of mind, position will be good or not good, or will be afflicted one, and the person's, and now this muhurta or election of auspicious time. Election of auspicious time or election of time. Election of time is auspicious time, good or bad time, which is mostly Vedic people's life or Indian people's or Hindus' life is completely full of all these measurement of tithis. If the person is completely based on astrology, Vedic astrology. So Vedic astrology is being considered in case of life of a person. Every day's selection of the time, auspicious date selection. So these tithis are very important just to elect the time, auspicious time. Means muhurta, this one is muhurta in local language, this one is muhurta or election of time, election of auspicious time. That is based on the tithis. How these tithis are auspicious, not auspicious, not good or bad, that I'll just talk about it. What kind of tithis are there, and how these tithis are made when they are known as what is that Kshay Tithi or Tithi Kshay, Tithi Bradhi. What is Bradhi Tithi? What is Tithi Kshay? What is Gandant Tithi? Tithi Gandant or Tithi conjunction of Tithi, conjunction of the Tithis. That means conjunction Tithi or Tithi Gandant. Tithi Gandant I have written down here. Tithi Gandant means conjunction of the day or lunar day. Conjunction of lunar day or Tithi Gandant. What is this Tithi Gandant? I'll just talk about. And what is Tithi Bradhi? How Tithi Bradhi is calculated? What the position of this? And what is Tithi Kshay? When Tithi is considered or not auspicious one, Tithi Kshay. Why Tithi Kshay is there? What is that Tithi Kshay? Let me just talk about that. But before that, what kind of these Tithis are divided into 5 categories. What are those 5 categories? First is known as Nanda Tithi. Then Nanda Tithi, Vajra Tithi. Second kind is Vajra Tithis. These 30 Tithis are divided into 5 categories. What are those 5 categories? They are known as tried. 3 Tithis are put into 5. So 5, 3 are 15. So both kinds. 15 Tithis and 15 Tithis of dark half and 15 Tithis of bright half. They are divided into 3 Tithis if I calculate, and then 3 5 are 15. 5 categories of Tithis of both bright half and dark half, or Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha. They are divided into 5 categories. What are those 5 categories of Tithis? First is Nanda Tithi. What is Nanda Tithi? Why they are when they are auspicious, not auspicious, I'll just talk about. But before that, let me talk about these 5 types of Tithis. First is Nanda Tithi. Second is Vajra Tithi. Third is Jaya Tithi. Fourth is Rikta Tithi. And fifth is Purna Tithis. Complete Tithis or Purna Tithis. So these 5 categories of Tithis are there. Now if I put the Tithis 1 to 5, then 6 to 10, then 11 to 15 or 11 to 30. 11 to 15 means that is also applicable for dark half. Now dark half starts from 1 to again 14 plus 30, 30th Tithi, or that is also 15th one or 30th one. So that is for applicable for both. So these Nanda Tithi, Bhadra Tithi, and Jaya Tithi, Rikta Tithi, and Purna Tithi. These 5 categories of Tithis are in both the parts, dark half and bright half. First is bright half and second is dark half or Krishna Paksha and Shukla Paksha. So these Shukla Paksha and Krishna Paksha both are having these 5 categories of Tithis. So 3 Tithis are put into 5 qualities or 5 kinds or 5 types. These Tithis